Okay, y'all, the first thing we're going to do is make the chocolate sauce. And I'm going to start with 2 sticks of butter. So there we go. I got them melted. And we're going to need 2, makes a lot of chocolate sauce, y'all. We're going to need 2 12-ounce, I think they're 12-ounce bags. Yeah, 12-ounce bags. We're going to need 2 of these. We're going to need 3 cups of Karo. We're going to need 2 cans of condensed milk. And then we got some chunked up brownies here that's going to go in our blender. So it's going to be good. Our chocolate morsels. And we're going to give those a minute to melt. And then we're going to be adding our condensed milk. 2 teaspoons of espresso powder. 2 cans of condensed sweetened milk. And this will survive in your refrigerator for 2 months. So it's going to make a lot of sauce, but you know, that's all right. You'll have desserts that you can put together real quick should you have Poppy and Company. Okay. And 3 cups of Karo syrup. 1 bottle is not quite 2 cups. As a kid, I used to love this stuff on pancakes and French toast. Ooh, so good. Okay, so 2 cups, and then I'll measure out 1 more, and we're going to let this cook for 30 minutes on low. And you noticed I sprayed my measuring cup, so that releases that syrup so easy. Okie dokie. That does it. 30 minutes. If you're going to make the whole recipe for this chocolate brownie milkshake, it calls for 1/2 gallon, 1/2 cup of milk, and a cup of crumbled brownies that have been baked. But I'm not going to do that because Michael and I, even with Eddie's help, we cannot drink that much milkshake. So I'm going to just make enough for a couple of glasses. And I got our hot fudge sauce right here. A viewer sent me this ice cream scoop, y'all. It's the best one in the whole entire wide world. But you really do need to keep it, let it sit in hot water for a while. So I'm just going to guesstimate with my crumbled brownies and my milk. This is some frozen solid ice cream, y'all. Just the way I like it. All right, I'm going to mix just a little bit of brownie with that. and a little bit of milk. And then we're going to shake our booty. Let me see if I can figure out now how to do this thing. I'll add just a little bit more milk. Really kind of depends on how thick, you want this. And if you want to know where this recipe came from, it actually came out of Cooking with Paula Deen magazine. I'm proud to share it. All right, I'm going to put one brownie down in the bottom. And then I'm going to pour a milkshake on top. I don't want to overfill it. And we got to have a little whipped cream. I got to have some whipped cream. And then we've got to have some of this chocolate syrup. And Eddie had a great idea. He said this would be so good to jar it and gift it. If it's somebody's birthday or Father's Day or Mother's Day or Thanksgiving or Christmas, it'll make a wonderful hostess gift. Just in case we don't have enough chocolate, we're going to just grate a little on top. How's that? I think I'll do a little bit more. A little bit more whipped cream and a little bit more of the hot fudge sauce. Now let's go find our father. Thank you, Eddie. And I'm going to take an extra straw. Happy Father's Day! You want me to help you?
Yeah. Oh, delicious.
Michael, you're father to a lot of animals. Would you have a chocolate milkshake with us? Okay, well, I'm going to go in and fix one for Mike. I hope that all you fathers out there have a wonderful, peaceful Father's Day. And we send you love and best dishes. And I hope y'all get a milkshake.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.